Equipment checklist. Why are they important? What are they? Equipment checklists are important. You need to maintain what you have, whether it be a big old diesel engine and an over-the-road truck or this same Detroit diesel engine and a crane. Three components of a good operator's checklist are helping identify failed components, helping identify routine maintenance schedules, and helping identify staying committed to doing routine service. A great source for finding that information is the operator's manual. If you go off the operator's manual for your piece of equipment, the checklist is very detailed on daily, hourly, weekly, and monthly, or hours of operation or miles driven depending on your application. Maintaining your engine or your piece of equipment will give you millions of miles and hundreds of thousands of hours life on the piece of equipment. Some good points to a checklist are walking around the piece of equipment, going through and checking all your fluids, the condition, what does the fluids look like? Are they up on the dipstick? Do you see any leaks? Do you see anything hanging down off the engine or the piece of equipment? Failure to maintain following that checklist, you're gonna see large, costly repairs with a lot of downtime. So on this diesel engine behind me here that costs $60,000 to $80,000, for example, failure to run fluids and filters that are designed by the OEM can be very costly. A Diesel Dash is a good source to find OEM fluids and filters. No matter if it's a Detroit diesel, a Deutz engine, or an Allison transmission, you need to run factory OEM fluids and filters in your application. It helps maintain warranty, it helps maintain the life of the piece of equipment, and there's no thought process on if I'm running the right stuff. Did I purchase the right filters? Am I running the right fluid? Running OEM fluids and filters from Diesel Dash takes all those judgments away. It's a one-stop shop.